I show you how you set a servo filling machine. This is 6-head servo filling machine. So this is nozzle. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is 6-head servo filling machine, and I show you how you set all the setting of machine. Total 5 mechanical setting are there, and after that some setting are in HMI. First one is setting guide, and second one is set the cylinder, and third one is set the center into the nozzle, and fourth one is height, and last one is bottle sensor. And then I show you one by one. First is set the conveyor guide. So I take it a bottle and go for the setting conveyor guide. Put it the bottle at the center of conveyor and set by using the knob, and set the same gap at one end to another end. Already I set so that and mind it, the bottle are not too loose, not too tight. And after that I show you the setting of the cylinder. First of all, put the 6 bottle below the nozzle, and after that set the both cylinder, and this is the bottle, and take it the center for placing 6 bottle, 3 bottle that side and 3 bottle that side. And nozzle center helped by that bolt. So here you can lose the bolt and move right or left, and then set the nozzle center. First one is setting guide, second one is cylinder, third one is nozzle center, and fourth one is nozzle height. You can change the height using this wheel. If you move clockwise, then go upward, and you can move anti-clockwise, then go downward. You set the bottle height 20 to 30 mm above the bottle. First one is set the guide. Second one is cylinder. Third one is nozzle center. Fourth one is nozzle height, and last one is setting bottle sensor. This is called bottle sensor. So here, if bottle are front of the sensor, then red light blink in the sensor kit. Then pass the bottle, red light off. This setting are done. In a standard setting, you put the sensor at neck of the bottle. Then almost setting is done. I repeat, first is setting guide, second is cylinder, third one is nozzle center, fourth one is height, and last one is bottle sensor. And after all mechanical setting done, go for the HMI. Then put login and password 1981 and 1981 and enter. That is the main interface of the screen. If you go to auto mode, first you confirm all the settings are done, then go in auto mode, and in the manual mode all settings check one by one. You can check conveyor and other all one by one, and this is calibration. This is the main part of setting volume. Before calibration, you go speed setting. Set the speed you want. I set 300 coarse speed and 100 fine speed. Go to the calibration and put both are 0 in calibrate resolution and calibrate value. 0 0 0 0 and 0, and calibrate resolution also put 0 0 0. If set according to me, then perfect setting done. After that you set calibrate revolution, means you command to the servo rotation, and after that stop. I put 35 revolution, 3 5 enter. So after you can start calibration start, then after 35 rotation machine will stop. So put it 35 and after that press nozzle down. So nozzle down and place 6 bottle below the nozzle and take it one bottle and tear the weighing machine, because for setting only require material weight. Then so tear, and after that on the all nozzle, and after that all the on nozzle on and press calibration start. After pressing calibration start, machine start revolve and stop after 35 rotation. So I start. Material comes from all nozzle and then stop after 35 revolution. After a stoppage, one by one check the material weight and put the value in HMI. First of all, check first nozzle and check the weight of the weight of the material, that is 420. So 420 put in the servo 1 calibration value. So put it 420 in first servo. Means if revolve 35 rotation, then material comes out from first nozzle is 420 gram. And check it second nozzle. So second one is 395. So put 395 in second servo, 395, and same process done for all nozzle. After that come to the filling parameter and put the value how you want the material out in one cycle. I put 900 ml. You put 1 liter, 5 liter and so on. And if you put 900 and 100 ml, means 800 ml is fill at fast speed and 100 ml fill at slow speed. This is so this is 300 is fast speed and this is slow speed. Means if you put 900 ml, then 800 ml fill at 300 speed and 100 ml fill at 100 speed. And this is conveyor speed. And if material comes more and less, than you put, then you can manage with the help of correction factor. In first nozzle, in first nozzle 10 ml more material comes at every cycle, so you put it -10. And in second one is comes 20 ml less in every cycle, so in second one is put +20. So after that all are okay. Means you put the material, you put the value of volume, then comes out accurate. And after all setting done, you go to save recipe and put it name and number, particular name and number for your information, and then save. So you save all setting in one recipe, like 900 ml 900 ml, enter and